March 23, 2024, what seemed like a minor shoplifting case quickly turned into a serious felony arrest. Officers responded to a theft call from Carter's after store employees reported two women stealing over $1,000 worth of merchandise, but when police found one of the suspects, she had a very different story to tell.
Hello.
How you doing?
Officers approached a woman matching the suspect's description. She looked out of breath, and when questioned, she claimed she had just been on the phone.
Morales, okay? Basically, want to talk to you about something. You match the description of a female that we're looking for right now. Why are you out of breath? What's going on?
Oh, no, I was on the phone. I just got wet.
Okay.
You saw match what?
You match the description of a female we're looking for. You mind if I get your ID?
Yeah.
She was asked if she had been inside Carter's, to which she admitted, but only to buy something. She even offered to show her receipt, hoping that would clear her name.
What did you get?
I got my receipt and everything.
Okay. All right. We'll just get your ID and then we'll
Matching the description.
confirm if it's you or not. All right. All right. So she do got a Carter's bag, so she's brought stuff out of
I
there.
got my receipts and everything.
So just ask them.
Copy, I'll be on that.
So what?
Oh, she got a Carter's bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
At first, things seemed fine, until Carter's employees identified her as one of the shoplifters. One employee claimed they saw her stuffing stolen merchandise down her shirt and purse before running out of the store.
As she was running the corner, and her breasts were suddenly huge because she stuffed all the product down her shirt and into her purse.
About how much did you think they took?
Probably like $1,000.
$1,000?
Wow.
They took.
You could provide an itemized receipt.
At this point, the officer decided to detain her while they investigated further. She protested, insisting she was innocent, but surveillance footage told a different story. As officers searched her belongings, they found more than just clothing. Her credit cards were repeatedly declining at the store. Our things went from bad to worse when officers discovered a large bag filled with Carter's merchandise. They also confirmed that her purchased items didn't match the receipt she provided. Raising suspicion of fraudulent transactions. Despite her repeated claims of innocence, officers had all the evidence they needed. Not only was she caught with stolen goods, but security footage also placed her at the scene of the crime.
Arrest, like we said, you match the description of somebody that stole items from Carter's. Okay, you have a Carter's bag. And once they come over here where they say it is or not you, then we'll talk to you further on that, right?
Oh, that's still not all my stuff right there.
That's why I said, like, once they confirm it is or not you, if it's not you, then we'll let you go. But it is you, then we'll have a talk about that, right?
Once officers told her she was under arrest, she became frustrated and insisted she would beat the charges in court. But with security footage and stolen goods in hand, the case against her was strong. Things took another turn when officers reviewed the store's transaction records. The suspect's payment attempts had been repeatedly declined, further proving she had no intention of paying for the items. As they continued their search, officers found even more stolen merchandise in the suspect's possession, linking her to multiple thefts in the area.
They're both negative valid.
Okay, she was in there. I would like to know what she seen me took.
Okay. I'm going to walk up behind the truck here real quick. Positive ID.
Okay.
Central copies 1932.
So, what's going to happen? I'll go over there and go. Police come over and see you.
What'd you say?
I want to
Her
know what
sister's walking somewhere. She doesn't know where she's
she was out here with her baby daddy. That's what I'm saying. I don't know if she left with him. I'll have to call her.
Gotcha. Is this your car?
No.
Where's the car you came in?
This is the car I came in, but it's not my car.
She was sitting inside.
Okay. Where's your
And
sister
all my
now?
stuff right there. All my stuff is right there with my receipt.
Gotcha.
So why is she saying
Where's your sister at?
I don't know. She might have went with her baby daddy. She was out here with him.
You want to call her?
Y'all gonna take these out?
Yeah. You want to call her?
Yeah, I'll call her.
Okay. Let's call her.
I'm not taking off the cuffs.
You want me to call her with the cuffs on?
You just had your phone in your hand with the cuffs on.
I know, but it's so comfortable.
You're just being detained for right now.
Probably takes some trouble not.
Okay.
Did you leave with Bertha or are you still here? She gone.
Okay, perfect. We'll do a warrant for her, and then you're gonna be taking a ride too. You can hang up the phone now.
Taking a ride for what? I didn't steal
For
anything.
shoplifting.
I have my stuff right here. I didn't steal anything.
Did we recover the items? Those are the items that apparently she paid for.
Man, this is crazy.
They already ran
So you
out.
trying to take me to jail and I didn't take anything?
Well, they have you on camera.
I didn't take anything.
But it says otherwise. That you did.
Where is it out on camera? Tell her to show me.
They looked at it already.
They already looked.
That's
at
why they called us. They gave the description, they provided a description, your sister and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I mean, you taking a ride, she's not. She said she ain't here. She just have a warrant out for arrest.
You're saying you paid for these?
Yes.
Is there a receipt in here for these? Okay.
You guys ready yet or no?
Yeah.
She want to talk?
Yeah, she talked. She said basically, she went in there to buy some stuff. She didn't steal nothing. All that stuff that's on the receipt is stuff that's in the bag. That's about it.
Okay.
I thought y'all said y'all was going to get her to identify me so I could show her that I didn't take anything.
She did. She identified you. We put the flashlight in her face. She identified you.
Except this is a receipt from Sanford.
That's what I'm saying. All my stuff is paid for. When I went in there, I was exchanging. She held my stuff at the counter literally for me.
Yeah.
She held my stuff at the counter. So what
Okay.
did I think? You held my stuff at the counter. It's the same bag I had.
What car is y'all's?
That's the same. That's not my car.
Is this the
Car you guys came in?
No.
She's chilling in. She's just chilling in.
She got in when I got
It's
her.
her car.
So is there anything in the car?
No.
You got the keys for the car?
No.
Can we search the car?
No.
Well, it's not her car.
It's not mine, and I'm not giving no authority to search nobody's car.
Well, it's not your car, so you can't get that authority anyway.
This is the girl that. So the one lady came in, brought it to the counter. She went behind and already took some baby girl items, left the store, and came back again.
Okay. Perfect.
What city you got cut off? Disregard it was 48. Copy.
If you're going to take me, go ahead and take me. I ain't got time for all this. Go ahead and do what y'all finna do. She saying this and that. I know I'm going to beat it because I didn't steal nothing out of there. So,
We'll have security come over and tow it, and we'll just have to do the inventory prior to towing.
oh, what you got to do?
Oh, you wanted to search
She
it?
saying she sold me something. She lying. She didn't see me steal nothing. Let me see my phone.
No, it's okay.
No, hang it up because it's calling somebody. I didn't try to call nobody. You can hang it up. It's calling somebody. Could you hang it up? I don't know who's on the phone. I don't know who's on my phone. Could you hang it up?
We'll do it in a second.
Let's go over here
So
so
you got somebody sitting on my phone? I don't know who that is.
Okay, come on.
Let's go over here. I got stuff in my back seat, so I can put it back there.
Go right here to this Tahoe.
I've been very nice and generous and all that, and I feel like y'all been like, let me at least let somebody know what's going on. Like,
We do.
no, I'm saying let me call somebody and let them know what's going
She
on.
has to search you, okay, before you go in.
Okay.
Okay. When we get to our police department, the officers over there, I'm pretty sure they'll let you call somebody or give you a number where you
Can
can call.
can I call her?
She needs to do her job now. We have to do our job.
She claimed that she had to do an exchange because she had twin baby boys that were a year old.
Yeah, but look at this. Card declined, canceled. Card declined, canceled. So they're using stolen credit cards. Look at all these different cards that are declined.
Perfect.
Canceled, canceled, canceled.
I'll take them.
Declined. Declined.
We'll see if it's on her property now. And on
Fine.
video is going to show her stuff and all the stuff in her.
It
This
should,
is a no sale. Every single transaction on here is declined. Cool. So we need itemized receipts for that. There. Is this all yours, Oshkosh?
I don't know.
Yeah.
The other suspect
In the
got
end,
license.
the woman was charged with felony theft, credit card fraud, and resisting arrest.
This is all Carter's.
Her accomplice, who fled the scene, would later have a warrant issued for her arrest. This case is a perfect example of how shoplifting isn't just a minor crime. It can quickly escalate into serious felony charges. Do you think the officers handled it well? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more police breakdowns.